Hi friends, let's look at some of the important news. Yesterday, 2,86,000 new corona cases were reported all over India, and total number of active cases as of yesterday were 21.5 lakhs. This is a cause of concern to all of us. Yesterday, Prime Minister Modi addressed nation in view of current spread of corona, and he's requested all citizens to follow all the protocols of corona, that is to wear mask, keep social distancing, and do not venture out from your house unless it is necessary. Government is also taking all the steps to increase the supply of oxygen and various drugs required to treat corona patients. Government will not look at the total lockdown in India unless this will be taken as a last resort only. Otherwise, there is no need for a total lockdown all over India. This means that India will not be declaring total lockdown under current spread of coronavirus. This is a good news for all of us. Yesterday, Indian stock market continued their decline, and BSE Sensex reduced by 243 points and closed at 47,700 points. Today, due to Ram Navami, Indian stock markets are closed. Nestle, which is one of the leading manufacturers of baby food powder, Maggi and some other items, reported that they have increased their net profit by 14.6%. This again shows that Indian economy is again coming back to normal, and all these companies are announcing encouraging result. Hero Moto Corporation, which is one of the leading two-wheeler manufacturers in India, announced that they will keep all their factories all over India closed for 4 days from today onward to take care of spread of coronavirus and to protect their workforce. They've got enough stock, hence there is no need for worry. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, who is one of the edge investors in stock market, feels that current spread of corona is a temporary blip and India's story of growth is intact. Hence, stock market will continue their bull run, bearing some of the short-term losses which are noticed right now. Reliance Industry is supplying free of cost oxygen of almost about 700 tons to state of Maharashtra, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh to take care of shortage of oxygen. Some more industries are also supplying oxygen to various states to take care of the shortage of oxygen all over India. US government advised their citizens not to travel to India under current condition. This is Dinesh Arya signing off.